Hello everyone, I am Sourav and welcome on to our YouTube channel on its school. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create labels into your Gmail account in 2020. But before starting this video, if you never subscribe our channel yet, subscribe must the channel and press the bell notification icon for the latest updates from this channel. To create or manage the labels, you have to scroll down the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Here you will get many menus, sub-menus or categories. But at the last you will get an option Manage your labels. Simply click on it. With the help of this menu you can manage your all system labels, categories and manual created labels. Also you can show and hide your labels from your Gmail inbox. On the bottom of the page you will get a create new label option. You can create a new label with the help of this option. To create a new label simply click on it. First give your label name. If you want to create a nested label, tick the next option. After that, choose the parent label for this nested label. Now click on create. Here you can see we have successfully created a new label into our Gmail account. So that's enough for our today's video. Don't forget to like, share or comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Have a good day.